that you can focus on serving our country and thinking about beyond Papua New Guinea, the region, the world. What's happening in the future? How are we going to feature? Is it going to be our future? Well, right now I can tell you that the future where we have is not our future. There are very powerful forces here who have already designed their future. We are just mere spectators. We are going to be inconsequential. Our children will serve their children. They will funnel all our riches from our rich country offshore to build their empires, to make themselves rich. And we are just going to be helping them if we do not get back on that development pathway. They already control many of our government departments. Ministers, when you go and manage your government departments, trust me, you are just managing status quo. They have syndicates in there that will control you. They'll send you on overseas trips. They'll buy you 1 VX, 2 VX, whatever you want. They'll help you. They'll compromise you. And then you'll just continue managing status quo. Instead of running your ministry, carrying out the reforms and building a stronger ministry that is supposed to serve your country. They have hijacked those ministries. Those departments are now mercenary organizations. They don't serve Papua New Guinea or Papua New Guineans. They serve these insidious cartels. And they can change governments. And they do, and they have. You think it doesn't happen? Do some research, my friends. You'll find out that you don't run your country, nor do you own it. You only think you do. And therefore, we aren't independent. And we should be ashamed if we fly our flags on the 16th of September because we proclaim to be independent, but truly we're not. We would only be independent if we owned our economy, we controlled it, and we ran it for ourselves and our future. We have a huge responsibility here. We must not forget that. Our responsibility is to construct our future so our children can be in charge of that future.